Welcome to Rayat Shikshan Sanstha's Western Region, Standard 7, Subject General Science, Lesson number 14, Elements, Compound and Mixture, and video number 29. In this video, we see traditional separation method, simple distillation method, separating funnel method, centrifugation method, and chromatography. First, we take what is meant by traditional separation method. When an unwanted and harmful substance is mixed with another substance, the resulting mixture no longer remains useful. In such case, we separate unwanted ingredient from the mixture. For this purpose, simple and easy methods such as straining means filtering, sifting, picking, sorting, winnowing, combing with magnet and sublimation are used. So which ingredient from this mixture could be separated by using this method? Then simple distillation method. For this purpose, we take the round bottom flask, thermometer, stand, condenser, conical flask, water, salt solution, burner, tripod stand, etc. Take some salt water in round bottom flask, arrange apparatus as shown in figure, start heating the liquid in flask, place on wire gauze. Observe the conical flask, slowly droplet of water start falling into it. Where did this drop come from? The salt water in the round bottom flask boil on heating. The water in it vaporize. When vapor passes through the inclined tube, it gets cooled due to the surrounding cold water and condensed to form water. Thus drop falling into the conical flask are water from salt solution in round bottom flask. Salt remain behind at the bottom of the round bottom flask. When all water collected in conical flask, this method called distillation. Distillation is also used for purification of impure liquid. Then second method of separation is method of separating funnel using separation using separating funnel. When this mixture of two immiscible liquid is left undisturbed, two layers are clearly seen to have formed. The heavier of the liquid remain below and lighter liquid float on it. Two liquid in mixture can be separated by making use of this property. And procedure of this method is pour mixture of kerosene and water into separating funnel with stopcock close. Close the stopper, fix the separating funnel firmly on the stand. Leave the mixture in funnel undisturbed for a while. Water will remain below and kerosene will float on it. Now without shaking the funnel, remove the stopper. Open the stopcock to collect the water from the bottom, the funnel in beaker. Close the stopcock when all the water collected in beaker. Now kerosene and water are separated. Third method of the separation is method of centrifugation. Turbid water, ink, milk, buttermilk, blood are mixture of liquid and insoluble solid. When turbid water is kept undisturbed for a while, soil particle in it slowly settle at the bottom. The particle of milk, ink does not settle even being left undisturbed. This is because particle of the solid in mixture being very tiny and light remain evenly distributed in liquid. This particle cannot be separated from liquid even method like filtration or settling. So how will you do to separate such solid particle from liquid? In laboratory, centrifuge method is used for separate solid from mixture of liquid and solid. It consists of disc which rotate like fan on a great speed. There is a provision of attached test tube at the rim of the disc. When tube attached to the disc rotate with high speed, the force is generated which pushes particle away from the center. As a result, solid particle in the mixture in the test tube collect at the bottom of the tube and thereby separated from the liquid. That is the method of centrifugation. Next method is method of chromatography. Two or more substances are dissolved in small proportion in the same solution. The substances are separated from each other by means of chromatography. This method is used in pharmaceutical science, factories, scientific laboratories for detecting new ingredient from identifying separating component of the mixture. Take some water in beaker, take a rectangular piece of filter paper, put one spot of blue ink on it about 2 cm away from one edge. Keep this upper part, paper part upright in the water in the beaker. Place lid on beaker. After some time, spot the ink is seen in rise and collected at the particular height of the filter paper. If there are two or more constituents of different color in the ink, they will be seen to have rise to different heights due to different color and thus appear distinct from each other. This experiment can be done using chalk-like or chalk stick instead of filter paper. In this method of separation chromatography, two properties of substance are used. There are solubility of substance in the solvent that moves up with the ability of substance to stick the stationary filter paper, and these properties are mutually opposite and are different from different substance. As a result, all component of mixture not rise all the way. So please like, subscribe. Thank you.